Hey, why do people wear glasses?
Sid, you don't wear glasses. You pour juice into glasses and drink.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. We are testing equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Oh, maybe glasses help you see when you drive.
Ooh, good thinking, Gabriella. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye. Hey, how about you, May? Do you know why people wear glasses? Wait a minute. I just remembered. You wear glasses.
Of course I do, and I love my glasses.
Well, my grandma has glasses too. And this morning, I tried on her glasses, and they made everything look all blurry.
Oh, for me, it's the other way around.